Portillo's is a Chicago legend, known for its hot dogs, Italian beef, and the famous chocolate cake. Today, I'm trying two classics, the Chicago dog and the Maxwell Street Polish. This one's stacked. Mustard, neon relish, onions, tomatoes, swerve peppers, a pickle, and celery salt on a steamed poppy seed bun. The snap of a Vienna beef with all those toppings, iconic. Next up, the Maxwell Street Polish. Grilled Polish sausage with mustard and grilled onions. I want to love it, but the flavor just really isn't there for me. Not bad, but it didn't hit like the Chicago dog. Final take, if you're at Portillo's, get the Chicago dog, it's a must. The Polish, it was still good, but I did get a little bit of a tummy ache afterwards. Not sure what that's from, but what's your go-to at Portillo's? Let me know.